Google has started rolling out Android 17 QPR1 Beta 7 to eligible Pixel devices. This release mainly focuses on bug fixes and stability improvements, includes the July 2026 security patch, and resolves issues affecting quick settings, battery share, and other bugs. To check for the latest Android 17 beta update, open the app drawer to your Pixel phone. Scroll down and tap on System. Tap Software Updates. Tap System Update. You can see System Update available Android 17 QPR1 Beta 7. Update size is 339 megabytes. Download and install the update to your Google Pixel devices. Android 17 QPR1 Beta 7 includes the July 2026 security patch and resolves issues. Check out the link in the description to view the list of issues fixed in Beta 7 update on your Pixel phone. Android 17 QPR1 Beta 7 is rolling out. Have you updated your Pixel yet? Please tell us in the below comment section.